Hey guys, welcome back to Elvis Car Review. I hope that every single one of you is having a beautiful day. In today's video, we are going to talk about the new mod that I just installed in the car and what is next for the EcoBoost Mustang. So I just had the RTR grill installed in my car and I received a lot of mixed comments with it. Some people really liked it, others telling me it's kind of too much with the grill of the car. It was better off when it was completely, blacked out. And the RTR grill is bringing a little bit more light to it, and it's taking away its appearance of, like mean or muscular. I don't know if it's true, but you guys take a look and then, let me know if indeed the RTR grill removes from the meanness of the car or it actually makes it look much better. I personally believe that the grille looks much better and gives the car a much better presence on the road. And like I said, I'm getting a lot of thumbs up just passing by cars. So let me know, guys, in the comment section below, what do you think? If it looks better or it doesn't look good, should I keep it, should I remove it? I still have the stock grille though in the trunk. So also I just wanted to give a little update on the mods that are coming for the car. If you've watched previous video before, you will know, but let me just repeat it. I'm gonna order a off-road downpipe bore lamp, probably Mishimoto intercooler, and an EFR, I think 7136 or whatever, turbo for the car. So I will get a custom tune for the car. Also, I will be going to the Buffalo Auto Show, so if you're planning on going, let me know. We can meet up and stuff like that, or stop by, say hi. I will definitely be going on the Buffalo Auto Show. They have Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I might only go on Saturday, but you can check my Instagram for more detail. Like about 3 days before or 2 days before, I will post a picture on Instagram to let you guys know the exact date that I will be going to the Buffalo Auto Show. So if you're planning on stopping by, let me know. We can meet up and chat or whatever. Thanks again for watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are stopping by for the first time, don't forget to subscribe.